Reasons for PCBA or PCB board explosion. First, PCB design problems. PCB design errors or improper planning may lead to excessive voltage between PCB board layers, thus causing the board to burst. Second, PCB material problems. PCB material selection and quality may affect the quality and stability of the board, such as the selection of low-quality PCB materials. Third, improper operation in the process of PCBA may lead to excessive reaction between PCB board layers, which may lead to board burst. Fourth, temperature problem. PCB board may lead to thermal expansion and shrinkage when running in high-temperature environment, which may lead to board burst. Fifth, environmental problem. If the PCB board is used in a humid or high-temperature environment, the circuit components inside the board may be damaged.